Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove old account on Netflix. So first of all, be cautious and be sure that you updated the app to the latest version so you can actually get access to all that new features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and what I'm going to do in order to actually remove an extra user or extra old account, what you're going to do, you're going to go to your home page and then click on your user in the top right, then navigate to your account and press cancel membership button and follow on-screen instructions to know how to cancel your membership and no longer be a user or no longer be associated with Netflix account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we will definitely see you in the next one.